Hi everyone, welcome back to our Bitsy tutorials. Today we're going to explore how to add device targeting to your Bitsy Link. Device targeting allows you to redirect users based on their device type, making it easier to manage different links for different platforms. Let's dive in and see how this feature can simplify your link management. Navigate to the Bitsy Links page where all your created links are listed. In this tutorial, we are going to use AirDroid. AirDroid is a software that allows users to remotely manage their Android devices from a computer or web browser. It doesn't matter. You can use any app or website of your choice. With device targeting, you need to set your fallback link as the destination URL. Fallback link is the destination URL users will be redirected to if their device isn't covered by the specific targeting settings. Usually, this will be the general URL you set when creating the short link. You can use the website main page or the download page as your fallback link. In this tutorial, we are going to use the AirDroid download page as our fallback link. Scroll to the section for device targeting. Device targeting allows you to specify different destination URLs based on the user's device. Here's how to set it up. Android targeting. Enter the URL where Android users should be redirected. For example, this could be the Google Play Store link for your app. iOS targeting, enter the URL for iOS users, such as the App Store link for your app. Windows targeting, provide a URL for Windows users, if applicable. Mac OS targeting, enter the URL for Mac OS users, such as a link to your Mac OS application. Click on the Create Bitsy Link button. Now, when users access your Bitsy Link from different devices, they'll be redirected to the appropriate URL based on the device they're using. This feature is especially valuable for developers who have separate download links for Android, iOS, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. I am currently using Linux on this computer, so when I click on it, it is going to take me to the AirDroid download page. This is because I didn't set the device targeting for Linux. If I had added the device targeting for Linux, it would have taken you to the Linux download page. Let's open the shortened link on an Android device to see how it's going to work. Let's open the shortened link on an iOS device to see how it's going to work. Let's open the shortened link on a Windows device to see how it's going to work. Let's open the shortened link on a Mac OS device to see how it's going to work. Attention developers! If you've been managing separate download links for different platforms, it's time to simplify your process. With Bitsy's device targeting feature, you can consolidate your links into one and automatically redirect users based on their device. No more juggling multiple links. Bitsy has got you covered. And that's it. Adding device targeting to your Bitsy link can streamline your link management and improve user experience. If you found this video useful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Bitsy tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need assistance, leave a comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching and happy linking with Bitsy.